what it's doing under my car. That's so cool. Alright, so, no. So, that's not leaking. Well, maybe it is. Yes, it is. It is, okay. I think that's it, but right here, because this is here. So, like, I don't know. Because, like, obviously there's something bigger than this right here, so that wouldn't do it. Oh, shit. Alright. Oh my god. Look. Luckily that's just water. Because, like, I'm not putting antifreeze